my name is Aga Tompkins. Welcome to my channel. Today we're zoning in on this At the Forest Raw Beauty Kristi and ColourPop collaboration. Tune in. Look. I also use this About Face matte fluid eye paint in the color Smoke Signal for my liner. If you want to know more info, check this video out. I finally got this palette and I'm so excited to show you guys the look I did. I just love these colors. I don't know why I waited so long to get this palette. Honestly, I waited and then it sold out and then I regretted it and I don't know if I can ever make that mistake again. So ColourPop, take all my money, jeez. I definitely love all these colors and I cannot wait to do different looks from this palette. I don't even know where to begin, but oh, they're just so beautiful. So today's look is this. I ended up adding the About Face liner in this green color, which is called Smoke Signal, because like I had to, and I actually don't have a liner from ColourPop that matches it, although they did come out with liners to match this set. So if you get those, they work great. They're like my favorite liners. I just don't have the right color. But this worked out perfectly and it's more of like a liquid, so it can do stuff that maybe I couldn't do with the pencils. They do make these, and I don't know if these come in that green, but if they do, that would work as well. I used this yellow up here on top. I used the Brat Pack lip today from ColourPop, and I had a good time, okay? Estate Cosmetics sent me lashes, so I have a pair of lashes on from them. I'm so excited to try the rest of these. They sent me a bunch and they're amazing, but check out how I got this look and a little more about this palette. I'm proud of this one. It's beautiful. Thanks, ColourPop. Always killing it. I literally don't know where to start because they're all so good. How is this palette so good? Where should I start? I'm gonna start with this color. I've given up on naming colors because I legit can't. So I waited way too long to buy this palette and it sold out and I regret it the entire time. So I'm actually like the last person to the game. I don't know what I was thinking. I seriously needed it. I mean, I needed these colors. There's a few of my favorite colors in the world in this palette. I was an idiot. I admit it. You know, when you're wrong, you're wrong. I was wrong. Well, I learned from my mistakes and clearly bought it. So we're good, we're all good. Beautiful, done. Just kidding, not done. I'm gonna blend these out. I legit feel cute already, just like this. I'm cute. I feel like I need to put on lips because I feel weird right now without lips. I'm gonna do one of these lippy sticks. I haven't used this one yet. This is the Brat Pack. Am I right? Yeah, this is the one I didn't use. So I'm gonna put that on. Just so I feel cute. Better. Better, better, better. Back in here. What do I do? What do I do? What if I do Fiddlehead? Am I gonna regret these two together or am I gonna like these two together? I don't know. Oh, it's cute. I'm gonna be a fairy princess in a forest. That's what it feels like.
Aga Tompkins, the fairy princess in the forest.
Sounds about right. I haven't looked at anybody's looks from this palette actually because these are like rough colors to blend together. I feel like, I don't know what you can make out of all this, but I will try. I probably will use it a lot because I'm curious on like how I can make these work together. And at the very least, I feel like these are great to add on to any other palette I have. So I don't need to use them here, but I can use a pop of these in a lot of different looks. But I'm kind of up for the challenge of different looks from this palette. I like the muddy vibes. I think that's cool. I'm gonna do that Fiddlehead in the far corner here at the bottom. God, I like these two colors together. They're so cute. And then I'm gonna do the yellow one over here. I know a lot of people feel like they can't wear colors, but I never got that because I feel like I could wear all colors. I don't know. Maybe it is because I have brown eyes. When I look on like social media or somewhere and I see people with blue eyes or green eyes, their makeup looks so beautiful with every color. I never think to myself, oh, they couldn't pull off colors ever. So I don't know. I don't understand when people don't think they can pull off colors because I feel like I don't know what colors I can't rock. Maybe it's just confidence. Maybe you just gotta have confidence and believe in yourself. You can do it. Do it. Now I'm going to use this evergreen. It's like a sparkly, shimmery, greenish, glittery color. And I'm gonna do that over the lid right here. Just like fluffing it on there. And then I'm gonna use West Coast, and that's going in my inner corner, right here. That is like a gold I've needed my entire life. Where have you been, West Coast? Yup. I'm gonna wipe down this mess. I'm gonna use the West Coast and just kind of in the center also, I'm gonna do like a little tiny, almost like a circle. Just like over the pupil area, kind of. And I'm only gonna take a little bit of the Emerald City and I'm gonna put it right in the furthest corner here at the bottom and kind of bring it in just right in that little corner. Only because I feel like it's missing something. Maybe just a little bit of the darkness of the Emerald City color to like tie it together. I'm not sure. I like it. Yeah, I feel like I need to change the shape just a little bit and bring it a little higher. I'm just fluffing it up. These colors are groovy. Now what? I want to do fun things, but these all don't match. I don't know. Maybe just white? White's stupid. Am I whining? Ooh, I have yellow. How did I not know? Have I even ever used it? I don't think I've ever even used it. It's been waiting for this moment its whole life. Oh my God. How do I do this so you guys see it? Here. I'll move the mirror here so you guys can see. This is really hard to do. I've told you guys before, it's hard for me to even them out because I'm not looking straight ahead. Now I feel like I have to move this mirror back over here. I'm so excited about that. What? What is this? Yeah. I can't believe I never used the yellow before. Cool. It's like the most perfect yellow for this. All right, I'm gonna do some liner, some lashes, and I'll BRB. See you soon. And here is my final look. I added the About Face Fluid Eye Paint as my liner. Estate sent me a bunch of their new lashes that just came out, and they sent them to me for me to try them. This one's called Boozy Brunch, and I love it. Like, these are super cute. I love that these like flip up a lot. I tend to not be able to find lashes that look kind of natural, but at the same time like flip really pretty. So I love this set. They sent me a bunch of other ones, so I'll definitely make little videos on them as well. I love them. Check their lashes out. I think it's a new thing that they're doing, and so far they're killing it. Like every pair of lashes they sent me, I'm obsessed with and I can't wait to try. Like I thought I started with my least favorite, except I love them. So I don't know, but there's some good ones that are, yeah. So guys, it's about to get lit with these lashes. I feel like these are not colors I would normally wear, and I don't know, that's the fun part of makeup, stepping out of the box and trying different stuff. And I don't know, for me it's like art. I mean, when I do art, I do all forms of art. I don't just stick to, you know, only acrylic paint or only this. I love doing all different kinds of art, and that's kind of what's great. Being a makeup artist is like my favorite freaking thing in the world. If you guys don't already know, I'm gonna scoop back so I can tell you guys this. If you guys don't already know, I don't even know what I would do if I didn't have makeup. Honestly, it gives me life. A lot of people ask me why I wear makeup every day, or like, how do you wear makeup every day? And the truth is, that is my me time. Since my kiddos were little, it was the time that I had to myself, maybe the 15, 20 minutes, and I would just sit alone and zone out. I don't even see myself when I do makeup. Like, I see eyeball or lips. I'm not looking at me as a whole, really. It's more the little precision things. It's like a canvas, and I'm focusing in a disconnected way, and it's kind of how I get lost. When I was in high school, there's like one incident that I have that's such an amazing memory for me. I did art my whole life, and art class was always my favorite. But in high school, I had a teacher named Miss Maid. She gave us all, you know, an assignment to do some kind of drawing, and she put on Mozart. She like let us get lost, and I was like alone in that room listening to classical music and just completely lost. I forgot I was at school and I was doing this art, and then the bell rang and I was like, oh my god, I'm in school. What the heck? And it was one of my favorite moments of my life because it felt like hours. I legit had like an out-of-body experience. I was somewhere else and then realized like I'm in school, and I don't know, that's probably why I also like love classical music, and I don't know, it just all ties together to my art. But that was one of the best moments of my life. I wish that on every person that does art, to just get lost, throw on some old Chopin or something and just lose yourself in it, because it's really amazing. But yeah, so that's kind of where I go every time I do my makeup. Obviously now I do it with you guys, and that's also fun because in this moment when I'm recording, I don't know how to describe it, but I guess the only thing I've ever heard comparable to this is like, I work with a lot of artists, and when they go on stage, it's almost like they black out and they then are like, the show's over and they're like, whoa, I did that. I feel that way when I record YouTube videos. I know that sounds super weird, but in the moment I'm just talking, I'm just saying whatever I'm saying to you guys, whatever. And then when I go back and edit, I'm like, oh my god, it's so weird. It's like a different person in some way to me. It's me, obviously, because I'm just being me and I'm just doing my thing and talking and whatever, being myself. Obviously I talk with my hands a lot, as you guys know. But I'm in a cloud. Like, my brain is sort of cloudy when I'm doing these videos. Hope you like this look. I almost want to add yellow to my waterline, so I'm gonna grab this yellow from here because I want to. It's real subtle. You can't even barely see it, but it makes me feel good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I hate saying that, okay? Just so you know, I don't love saying that, but that's what you do when you do YouTube. You have to say that because you have to remind your new friends that in case they haven't yet subscribed, that it means that that feels good to me. Just so you guys know, when you subscribe, I'm like, yes, 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 yes. If you want to, click the notifications button, and that'll remind you every time I post a video. And you know, also, last thing that I forgot to mention, so I am now posting videos on Fridays and Mondays. I know I switched, but the reason why is because it feels better. It feels better, so I don't know. All right, bye guys.